Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will share with you the top 5 strategies for rapid English learning. These techniques will help you take your English skills to the next level. So let's get started. Strategy 1. Immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Listen to English music, watch movies and TV shows, read books, and practice speaking with native speakers. Strategy 2. Create a study routine. Consistency is key. Set aside a specific time each day to study English. Make use of online resources, language learning apps, and interactive exercises. This will help you progress faster and keep your motivation high. Strategy 3. Practice speaking regularly. Find a language partner or join a conversation group where you can practice speaking English. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, it's a part of the learning process. The more you speak, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Strategy 4. Take advantage of online resources. There are countless websites, podcasts, and YouTube channels that provide free English lessons and resources. Make use of them to enhance your vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation skills. Strategy 5. Set achievable goals. Break down your learning process into smaller, manageable goals. Whether it's mastering a specific grammar rule or learning new vocabulary, achieving these goals will give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated. Remember, mastering English takes time and dedication, but with these strategies, you can supercharge your learning journey. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks. Happy learning!